Hey guys, Catherine here with Lily Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to talk to you about proper sleeping positions for neck pain. So neck pain includes headaches, stiffness, numbness and tingling down your arms, or just pain in your neck. So to avoid that, you want to use the best pillow. It is vital for your head position while you're sleeping and avoiding that neck pain. So first I want to talk about side sleeping. And when you're sleeping on your side, you want to make sure you're bridging the gap from your ear to your shoulder on the bed. So you want a firm pillow that's not going to compress too much and allow you to tilt to the side. So you should have a good firm pillow. And then also make sure you tuck a pillow between your arms and hug it. So that allows you from folding your shoulders forward as you sleep, so it keeps you in perfect alignment. The other good position to sleep in is on your back, and if you're on your back, you'll want a softer pillow. So we just want to bridge the gap from the back of your head to the table without flexing your neck too far forward or extending backwards. So a softer pillow that will allow you to flatten to a comfortable height. Based on current research, for the top 3 kinds of pillows that will keep their firm support for side sleepers are a water-based core, shredded memory foam, or solid memory foam. So I would look for something with a firmer structure such as bamboo or that memory foam to help you get a good night's rest and avoid those headaches and neck pain. Catherine from Lily Physical Therapy. Have a great sleep, you guys.